darling?
What you were wondering? What are you doing on your bed? It's none of your business. Now just go back to your bed.
Hello!
Pretty please. I really want to know what you were doing on your bed. I said no, and that's final. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. Are you kidding me right now? I got onto my nerves right now. You're either a dumbass or a freak that doesn't know how to respect people's privacy. Look at me. If you ever ask me about my routine in bed, I'll break this bed into two and then shove both halves up your butthole.